I look very nice in it though. Let's talk about it. Hey, do you want to see my rusty, dusty, crusty face in the morning? Sucks, you're gonna see it. You don't like my aesthetic. You're gonna like it today. It is, where's my phone? It's 9:41, Saturday, July 27th. But today, I'm going to the beach. I haven't been to the beach in so long. And if you know me, this is what I'm telling you. Because as the time progresses, we'll get to know each other better, yeah? If you follow me on Instagram, I'll be going to the beach, like, all the time. Any chance I get, because I like going outside. Anywhere outside on water, it's me. Okay? Yeah, I haven't been to the beach in a long time. Normally, I go to Deerfield or I go to Boynton. But today, I'm going to Pompano Beach. It's something new, something nice, you know. I hope the water is nice. I also have the rest of the vlog to edit that I'm planning on posting before this one. So if you hear me mentioning this, it should be out right now. You should go watch that video because just did the right thing. Frying. And my mom is also going, she's fishing. So when I finish choking off in the water, I'll go up there and sit with her, you know, just like a vibe, you know, chill. Yeah. Good morning. How are you? I'm okay. I hope you are too. See, I got my face tissues. Remember was, yeah. And I'm still knocking the CeraVe because I didn't have the big bottle. And I refused to buy the small one. So, but you look like that, my forgot though. Where are dates? Or dates online. I know I'm in the back of my know where the buckle moves so. And if you don't feel like you put on too much, you know, put it on right. Skin, yeah. Big pair. And it's not done until I put on my Vaseline. Until I put my Vaseline on my lips, yeah. But hey, you're doing already. And that's it. No, I'm going to cook something to eat. I don't know what I'm going to eat though. We'll see. I was saying I don't know what I'm going to eat for breakfast, but I forgot that I have, yeah, I forgot that I have leftover Panda Express from yesterday. I'ma eat that. But I go full now, but we're full for right now. If you have comments about my hair, the time is now 2:07. My mom should be leaving work right now. These are my Prince by hands, by the way. I'll put his link in the bio so you know you can shop. I am ready, cause remember what I said. If there's anything I hate, it's being late. I have my swimsuit on. I'm gonna show you my swimsuit. This is how. It is also my swimsuit now. I'm telling you, man, when we spend a little bit more time together, you get to know me. This is her. Swim by Icon Swim, by the way. I mostly wear their swimsuits. If I wear something else, I must tell you. But it's just a regular one piece, nothing going on the back. It's just, Yeah, I look very nice in it though. Let's talk about it. Get into it. Yeah. I'm not gonna go like this though. I'm gonna put clothes over this, but just get into the body right now. Yeah. I'm loving this one. I'm loving the hair. You know that movie that Beyonce's in? Yeah, wait name. I haven't watched it. Austin Powers? It's how I'm feeling right now. Like I'm in that wetsuit, you know? But yeah, anyways. So swim, but I can swim. I'll wear these brown shorts. I'll put my earpods on it from now because my style me left it. And I like all the pocket them. I do what them do. The way you're supposed to do. Brown shirt, brown and yellow. It's brown and yellow. Yeah. Alright. It's giving uni boob. So this is what we're wearing. This can't really diddy me. I look very drip up. I look drip up people when I like that at all. It's the fit. My green tie-dye. So you call this material, right? Tie-dye, I don't know, whatever. With this, with the brown shirts. And I can either wear my favorite Crocs that I wore the last time, or I have this orange and green and brown Crocs. I feel like the orange would throw this off, so I'm gonna wear my cream Crocs. Or if not my cream Crocs, my black Crocs. So you can't go wrong with black. But I'll definitely show you what I choose. Yes. Okay. Cool. It's commodity gold. This was my first perfume purchase. It was $109. Don't remember if that was with the discount or not. But this, it smells like good. I went to a doctor and someone said I smell like cinnamons. I don't think it has no cinnamon in there, because trust me, one thing me is a cinnamon. I don't like how it tastes, I don't like how it smells. Do not give it to me. I'm assuming she just meant the baked part of the pastry, you know, the creamy part. I'll get the notes for you. But not she is that girl. And she don't smell like anything else that's out there as well. It's unique. I only buy the unique stuff. I'm only putting you onto the unique stuff, okay? But commodity gold, she was my first bottle, and if this done, I don't know if you can see which part it reach. Like, it's barely a dent in it. And I bought this like a year ago. It's good for 3 years though. I should be using it up. But when it's done, I'm definitely buying another bottle. Like, she's good. Like, you can't deny her that. Like, she's a girl for real. But the time is now 2:25, and my mom's not here, so I have to wait on her. But the next time you see me, unless something happens, I'll be on my way to the beach. I'm at the beach. We'll see the sea. I need to pack my blanket before I forget. So I'm over here chatting at Alright, I'm at PDQ.
Yes, that's
So 2 3 crispy tender meals, the fries and a drink, and then honey barbecue, PDQ sauce, for garlic, $21.38. Okay.
Oh, it's one of these. And then I'm gonna get I love mini egg. Got the next one.
Sean, your shoes are?
No. Fanta? Because I know they have the first they got the Fanta levels. Raspberry. Oh, it's like a Fanta raspberry. I asked me.
Girl, I know I drink it, I don't know.
Fruit punch. Girl. peach? Baby, I love me a peach juice. I'm gonna get peach. Oh, peach. Nice. Perfect. Grab one of these. Bougie. Can't lie. I heard that these fries taste better than Chick-fil-A fries. They're also waffle fries, so
And then we must have some cold one around there.
You know what, we can't, but I forgot to show back a U-turn, that's all.
the more I eat, the more I feel like Chick-fil-A. Who's that? Sorry to Chick-fil-A. Didn't I say I was going to Pompano Beach? Hey.
So anyway, what if you think about going away?
What to do? I look a mess. The fro not throwing no more. But it's minutes to 5 right now. The rain just ease off. I don't think I'm gonna get any beach time right now because I want to say like I feel maybe 100 feet from the beach right now. Like you can see from where I'm at, the water smells very raw. And nothing against the ocean smelling raw, but the last time I did smell raw, when me come out of the water, me did smell raw. So I'm up on the pier. Maybe later I'll go down to the beach. Let me show you what's happening over there. You can see the sand and stuff. She's getting clean. Isn't she getting clean? You can see the ripples of the sand on the water. She's getting clean. Only thing though, she's not smelling clean. And I know it's the ocean, and I know that they're fish in the ocean and stuff. But you know, you go Jamaica beach and water smell raw, so. But the water raw. And the last time I went in the water raw, I came home smelling raw. I mean, I know me go home and bed, but still, you want to smell raw? Exactly. It is now. Have I been in the water? No. Why? Because rain a fall. I'm up on the pier now underneath this beach umbrella. We're catching a fish, baby.
Oh, you got a very good. What are you using for the barracudas?
Filters.
That's his second barracuda, by the way. I don't know if you can see, child, but hella barracudas. Hella. Where did them come from? Oh, it's feeding time. Like for real. I hear you. No, for real. And they're not scared. The brown ones are not crows though. I'm going down to the water. Oh, there's a pigeon. I've never seen a pigeon up here. Nice. I was in the water and I was sitting with my fishy friends. Tell me why they started to... I don't want to accuse them of doing something falsely, but why were they trying to nibble me? Like first my foot bottom, then my foot. I was like, alright, cool. Why they go and bite me on my ass? Or nibble on my ass? Or swim past my ass? Bounce my ass? Touch my ass? Tap that ass? Twice. They were getting a bit too comfy for me, really and truly. So I had to leave them. For real. But I don't know if you can see the sun setting behind me. Can you? I don't know what time it is. Hold on. Right now it's 7:22. 7:23. And only when I'm on the beach though, if I'm by myself, I take some time to just pray and reground, because babes, what better time to pray than when you're literally in nature? Yeah. So I'm gonna do all of that and then just chill and take in the water really and truly. The sky's looking clear. Just a nice evening. Hold on, let me show you. See? Like, it's kind of cloudy over on that side, but it's clear for the most part. You know what I'm saying? And then when it gets darker in the night, you can probably see the lighthouse shining. But yeah, those little triangled up areas, like the one right behind me too, they are sea turtle protected areas. They having hella babies up in here though. There are lots of triangles, but hey, that's beautiful. But yeah, enjoy some waves crashing.